Hello, my name is Robin. I'm one of the co-founders at TestZeus, and today we'll show you how to use the power of AI to do test generation, which is a pretty hot topic nowadays. So let's jump right into it. There will be two key features that we will discuss today. We'll use Deepseek R1, which is a thinking model for UI test generation, and we'll also see if it can generate API test cases or integration test cases from a simple YAML Open API spec. So let's get to it in a quick demo. I'll start sharing my screen and we can see a few things together. First and foremost, I am with DeepSeek chat, and as you can see, I'm using the R1 model over here. I've already done some housekeeping stuff. I provided DeepSeek with a functional requirement, which is as simple as the functional requirements for Wrangler.in website, which is an e-commerce website with key features around product catalog, search, shopping cart, checkout, so on and so forth. I've also asked DeepSeek to generate test cases in a certain format because, as we know, Hercules expects the test cases in Gherkin format. Now, when we ask DeepSeek to create a positive test case about empty search results, it has created a succinct, simple test case for us. I've taken the same thing and I've pasted it into our VS Code. Interestingly, since Hercules is the world's first open source testing agent, you do not need to write any code, framework, locators, or any of those magical things to run this. You can take the test case from DeepSeek. Once it is generated, just paste it and just click run. Already have Hercules set up in my local. So when I run this, we expect Hercules to go to Wrangler website into the browser and then look for a non-existent product and ensure that the search for that results into key attributes such as the product was not available and continue shopping button should be there. So Hercules has landed over here and ran this very small simple test case for us. Now the same treatment can be done for other test cases. You can just generate test cases using DeepSeek, paste them into Hercules and just run them. You don't need to do a lot of coding, automation, frameworks or locators because the testing agent will take care of it, of these things for you. You've already seen how Hercules generates the reports, so we'll not go there. The test case ran fine. Now let's get to the next one. What if DeepSeek can also generate API test cases for us? So we are using the train travel API over here. It's an open API which you can see. I've downloaded the open API spec for it, provided it to DeepSeek, and given it a prompt so as to generate the test cases in Gherkin format. I'm going to take one of these scenarios as it is, as showed earlier, and put it into my local. This test case is about retrieving the list of train stations. Now in my local, if I just run this same test case with no changes, we can see that Hercules understands that we are trying to do API testing and therefore invokes the right API agent. As we can see, it has figured out, ran the REST call for get and got us the right results. So that was a pretty quick and straightforward demo of how you can use Hercules to perform UI and API testing and directly by generating test cases using DeepSeek. You can find us at testzeus.com. Thank you and let us know if you have any questions. Bye bye.